Hello everyone, my name is Jayesh Bhaure and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel and also to the first tutorial in Python. So in this video, I will be telling you a little bit about Python and from where you can download Python and install. So as you are here, probably many of you are new to programming in Python, or probably many of you are not even aware about C, C++, Java or Python and want to find a language which is quite easy, fun and quite simple. So guys, this is the programming language that you need. Python is considered as the easiest language of all the programming languages and the reasons are quite obvious. Python has many simple syntaxes. Python even has many one-liners. Imagine that in the Java, I'm telling you to write a code for swapping the values of two variables. What would you do? You would need to declare maybe a third variable and write a code. You will need to write a code of at least 3 lines, which you can do in Python in only 1 line. Python is pretty much like English, so that makes Python easy to understand and quite simple. So what is Python? Python is a high-level programming language. You can use it for developing desktop GUI, applications, website, and web application. You can even design games from in Python. You can even use Python for designing web crawlers. Imagine that there is a website which has tons of images and you want to download them all. What you can do is that go to Python, shell, write a program and execute it, and the Python will be working for you. So for Python to work for you, you need to first download and install Python. For that, open your internet browser and go to the search bar and type python.org. Remember, it is python.org and not python.com. After you hit enter, you will be directed to this website. Here, you will find about, downloads, documentation, etc. tabs. From this, click on the downloads tab. Now you will be redirected to this page and you will see this message. Download the latest version for Windows. Download Python 3.7.2. Okay. At this moment, means on the 9th Feb of 2019, the latest version of Python is 3.7.2. If you go down, you will find a lot of other versions, but they are kind of old. And in the Python, there have been a lot of changes from 2.0 to 3.7.2 at this moment. So I would suggest you to go for 3.7.2. For the download to be started, just click on this file and your download will start. Actually, I have downloaded this before, so I am just canceling it. And here in the downloads, this is the setup. You have to double click on it, and after you open it, you will get a prompt, security warning of do you want to run this file. Click on the run. I have actually installed Python, so I will just tell you the steps. You will be directed to a screen like this. Click on the install now, and afterwards you will just have to click on next button, and probably you have to agree to the terms and you will have to finish. This setup is actually the easiest installation I have ever done, so that's why I'm skipping the installation part. So afterwards your installation is done. You probably want to check if your Python is installed or not. What you can do is that go to the start button, click on it, and you will find Python here. Actually, as I'm using Windows 10, I will just type Python, and here you will see bunch of names. Like there is Python 3.7, there is module, there is executable file, there is manuals. But what we need to concern ourselves with at this moment is this IDLE. So what is IDLE? As you can see, it is something like command prompt. So on this shell, you can type and run Python programs, Python codes, and we are going to use it quite frequently. So what I would suggest you is that just go here, go to the start, search for that IDLE, right click on it and pin it to taskbar. So what will happen when we pin to taskbar? It will be displayed over here. Its shortcut will be created. So for the next time when you open your Windows, You don't have to go to the start and find it and run it. You just have to click here and it will start. So this is the shell where we will be working on for the next a lot of videos actually. So stay tuned. But I want to show you something actually. So imagine that there is x variable which I am assigning value of 3, and then I want to print this x. Ta-da! The value is printed. Actually, in Java, you would have to write like int x equal to 3, then system.out.println in bracket x. So that complexity is reduced in Python. That's what makes Python pretty much easy and fun and interesting. So stay tuned for the next videos. If you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Till the next video, adios. Thank you.